Hi everyone, Andre here from Next Tools Dev Team, and in this video I'm going to show you a very nice functionality that we implemented into SupaEasy. Create functions using the AI, because today the ChatGPT stuff is a very hot topic. So also in SupaEasy we wanted to bring some of the AI into the app. So we trained our own model based on a custom model on functions and on Ruby script. And so you are able to just prompt the function or the discount or whatever you want to build, and the AI will build the script for you. But let's take a look on how to do it into SupaEasy. So first thing first, you need to go into the editor part of SupaEasy and click on Create Function. Then select the function you want to create. But for this example, let's say that we want to create a discount function. And let's create a product discount function. With this product discount function, we just give a title as always. So AI discount created by, it's the opposite. So it's discount created by AI. Perfect. Then write the prompt that you want to that you need to provide to the function about the functionality or the discount that you want to create. So for this example, we will say that we want to create a tier discount based on a specific collection. So create. This is just a prompt, so you can provide it in many languages, or as you are used to do with the ChatGPT most like. So create tier discount. On specific, works only on specific collection. And we need to provide the ID with ID equal to, put just some random number. We will adjust this one after into the code. That act like this. So quantity greater than 10, we get, let's say, 10% discount, copy and paste, and then just treat tier because we don't need to be so. And let me tell you also that the more you are specific and precise into your prompt, better is the result. So you can provide also example or other stuff, but this is enough for our custom function built with the AI. Let's meanwhile the AI build the function for us. Get the correct collection ID. So go into the collection setting, then open the collection test for our example, and let's take the collection ID. That is this one in the URL address bar. Okay, so the collection ID is not this one, but is this one. And remember always to provide the global Shopify ID. So if you don't know how is the ID, you can retrieve it from the demo data right here. So click on copy and then paste it like this and change with our collection ID. And do not forget to pass the collection ID also on the right sidebar as an input to the function. Perfect. Then this one is an automatic discount. This is our message. Okay. So this is the function built by our AI, and let's test it, but give it just a look. So let me double check it that is as expected. So what we are doing right now is checking if the product is in the collection specified, and it's correct. And then go into our online store. Let's check with our product, and we set it at 10. Quantity discount of 10% applied, and let's raise the quantity up to 20. The discount is different. Let's raise it to 30. So yeah, how easy it was. Just write your prompt, adjust the input, and yeah, that's it. So you just need to write your prompt here, and the AI will take the rest of the yeah, you can adjust everything you want, like the message, or if you want to now you have the skeleton of the function. So for example, if you want to add another tier, we just need to copy and paste the settings, hit save, and let's test if at 40 we get the 40% discount. Let's see, 39 and 40, 41. Yeah, we get the 40%. So how to create functions into SupaEasy using the AI? We just need to provide a prompt, and the AI will build the function for us. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach us by mail or leave a comment to this video, and we will be pleased to help you to build next generation functions using SupaEasy. See you in the next video.